Hello and welcome to Jim's EV Adventures. Today we're going to talk about using an app to charge your EV. Step-by-step instructions for several, including FPL Evolution, BP Pulse, Walmart, ChargePoint, EVgo, EV Connect, ChargeUp, Tesla, Blink, Circle K, and 7Charge. This video applies strictly to the apps used at several major CPOs and charging locations. It does not address key fobs and RFID cards, payment terminals. Follow the instructions on the charger if you are using anything other than the app. There is no need to watch the entire video if you're looking for instructions for just one of the providers. There are timestamps for each of the vendors in the description. For example, if you want to watch just the section on ChargeUp, find that timestamp and click the link. Here we go. We're starting out with FPL Evolution. Open the app on the smartphone. Locate the charger in the map or from the list and select that location. Once selected, the charging site will be listed. Select View Details. After the details are visible, scroll through and select the charger. Stop and plug in your EV. Push the Start button to charge. Now let's move into BP Pulse. Open the app on the smartphone and log into your account. Locate the station on the map and select that station. A list will appear. Scroll through and select the charger from the list. Your connector will be listed. Select that connector. Stop and plug in your car. Press the Begin Charge button and your car will start charging. Now let's move to the Walmart app. This one's a little more detailed than all the other apps. Open the app on the smartphone and log into your account. Select the Services icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the Auto Services icon on the next screen. Scroll to the EV charging section. Select the EV charging section. Enter your zip code or city and state in the search box. On the next screen, select List View or Map View. And that looks like this, the list view or the map view. Select the charger location. Select the charger number. Stop and plug in your EV. Select Start Charging. Next, we move to ChargePoint. Open the app on the smartphone and log into the account. The app will automatically zoom to your general location. Select the station. Select the charger. Stop and plug in your EV. Then select the Start Charge button. Next is EVgo. One of the things about EVgo is they do have auto charge, so you can enroll for that service. Open the app on the smartphone and log into the account. The app will automatically zoom to your general location. Select the station. Scroll down and select the charger. Stop and plug in the EV. Select Start Charging. EV Connect is next. Open the app on the smartphone and log into the account. The map will automatically center to your general location. Select the station. Select the charger from the list. Select the connector you will use. Stop and plug in your EV. Select Begin Charge. There are flat rates and energy delivered rates at EV Connect sites, and those will be listed for you. Next up is ChargeUp. Open the app on the smartphone and log into the account. Select the charging location from the map or the list. On this page, scroll down to the next page. Once the chargers are available, you can scroll left and right to locate your specific charger. Select the charger. Select the charger port. Stop and plug in your EV. Select the black button to start the charge. That's the button in the center of the screen. Now we're moving to Tesla. Open the app on the smartphone and log into the account. Then select Find a Charger. Select the charger from the map or the list. Select Charge Here. Scroll left and right to find the post number for the charger you will use. Select the post number. Stop and plug in your EV. Now select Start Charging. Moving on to Blink. Open the app on the smartphone. Select the charger from the map. The location will open a menu at the bottom of the screen. Select the station from that menu. Select the plug from the list. Stop and plug in your EV. And select Charge. Circle K is next. Open the app on the smartphone. Select the station from the map. Select the charger from the list. Select the charging handle from the list. Stop and plug in the EV. Swipe the stripe to start the charge. Finally, we're going to do 7 charge. Open the app on the smartphone. Select the charging station from the list or from the map. Select the charger from the list. Select the connector. Stop and plug in the EV. Select Begin Charge. I would like to thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for listening to this video. And I hope to see you out there from somewhere along that route from point A to point B. Take it easy, everybody, and I'll see you all real soon. Do subscribe to this channel. It will help us grow.